Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this BOSE OE soundlink headphones, and the problem in this headphone is battery backup. One of my subscriber has bought here. So he actually given to some mobile shop and he replaced the battery. This is the original battery of this, which is harvested from this headphone itself. The backup of these earphones are very bad, so he went to the mobile shop to replace the battery, but after replacing the battery this was not turning on. So let's see by tearing this down what is the condition inside. So the earpads is already bad here. So alright, so here it is broken. There are 3 screws here, no problem, we will take that out. So let me take this out. This is the plus screws here. So I have removed the screws over here, just taking out this part. You can see the battery which has been replaced by the mobile shop guy, and there are 2 wires here. One is red and the other one is black. Let me show you in close up. So this red wire is plus and the black wire is minus, and there is one more terminal which is missed here. Because of that this is not working properly, so we have to use that terminal. Without that these earphones will not charge at all whatsoever. So we have to connect this wire, but this battery doesn't have that T wire here. Generally the color of that wire will be white. So in that case the wire is missing in this battery. So I am going to use this battery here. So you can see this is original JBL battery. So this is this is perfect in size. I hope this will fit in this headphone, and the battery backup will be much better than the actual original battery which was existing before. The battery belongs to BOSE. This battery will be much better than that BOSE battery itself, because this is bit heavier battery. You can see, and you can see there is 3 wires here. So black wire is the negative terminal here, and the red one is the positive terminal, positive lead of the battery, and the blue wire is the actual T which this BOSE headphone requires. Without this wire this headphones will not turn on. So alright, it's time to replace the battery. I am going to take out these 2 wires of the battery from this board, and I am going to connect these wires, this blue battery's wire. So let me do that and show you here. So I tried my JBL battery here in this BOSE headphone. The size of the battery is bit bigger, so the speaker driver is not fitting in this. So I have the same JBL battery with the BMS is opened. So I will take the actual battery's BMS here. So the thin wires is there. So I hope these wires will not disturb the fitting of this housing. So I'm going to take out the BMS of this battery. Anyways, the battery of this actual BOSE headphone is bad. So let me take out the BMS of this battery and I will install it in this JBL battery. So let's see after that whether this fits or not. So somehow I have managed the JBL battery in this housing, and the actual BOSE BMS is installed. So this has already turned on. Now it's time to do some insulation, then I will close this housing. It is bit tighter here, but still no bending is there, so we can use this battery itself. So let me do some insulation and I will just screw this, then I will show you the working functionality here as well. So finally I have installed the battery. Now it's time to show you the charging functionality here. So once I insert the charging cable here, you can see the power bank light has already started glowing, and you can see the symbol here. So it is the charging symbol. Now I am going to take out the charger here, and let me turn on the headphone. You can see it has turned on. I can hear the sound. Battery 90%, and Bluetooth has started in pairing. This has entered in pairing mode. So let me try pairing this using my smart device here. So now you can see BOSE OE soundlink has come here. Just clicking that, so it is asking to pair, allow access to your contacts and call history. I'm just checking it and clicking the pair button, and it is connected. And now you can see the battery is showing 80%. So I hope you can see. Yes, so the battery is 80%. This is very heavy battery. The life of the battery will be exceptionally good compared to the actual battery which was existing in these earphones. So that's it. As of now this has been connected and it is working fine. So you can see here Simply zooming in. So that's it for this video. This earpads has to be managed with this. My subscriber might buy the new earpads for this, but as of now this is working fine, started working and it is started charging. So this is back to life. If you have any earbuds or earphones or headphones with you, if you want me to replace the battery, just please do message on this above WhatsApp number. I am located here in Bangalore, so I can share you my shipping address details to your WhatsApp number if you message me, and after fixing I can ship it back to your address. You can ship from any part of India, even from villages you can send it, because India Post has access to all the villages. If you have pin code, then you can send it to me here in Bangalore using speed post courier. It will be much cheaper, so it will be less than 80-70 rupees. So you can send it, I can fix it for you and I can ship it back to you. So alright, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioWiz 360 and hit that notification bell icon, and write comment in the comment section below if you have any queries. I have uploaded so many videos in this channel AudioWiz 360. Please go through it. If you like it, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you subscribe, it will motivate me to make more of like these videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.